There's really no such thing as a healer, at least in the way that we tend to think about it. There's no one out there who can heal us, who has some magical property or some magic pill who, when they give it to us, we're suddenly cured. So there's no therapy, there's no drug, there's no treatment that actually heals us. In the end, what actually heals us is ourselves. It's always our own body healing itself. Our bodies have an amazing capacity to heal. So, given the right resources, our bodies can heal from just about anything. Let's take an extreme example of that. For example, a gunshot to the heart. We have a tendency to think that would be unconditionally fatal, but given the right resources, our body can heal even from that. If we stopped the bleeding, kept the blood circulating, say through something like an artificial heart or a blood pump like the ones they use in heart transplants, then the heart would eventually repair itself just like any other wound. It simply requires the right resources, in this case, blood, or the stop of the loss of blood, continued circulation, and time. What I'm talking about isn't fiction or conjecture. People have actually survived gunshot wounds to the heart. So I'll provide a link for you, probably in the video below, to a news story of one of these cases. In fact, there's a study from 1998 that can be found on PubMed on the NIH website that found a 9.7% survival rate of gunshots to the heart. So the same thing is true whether we're talking about gunshot wounds, cancer, diabetes, migraines, torn muscles, frozen shoulder, a cold, any condition. Given the proper resources, our bodies will heal themselves. So the actual function of healers, healthcare practitioners, healing modalities, therapies, treatments is actually to help you find your path and give your body the resources it needs in order to heal. The beauty of Qigong is that you actually participate in your own healing. There are very few treatments which actually engage and involve the one true healer, yourself. Normally, something is done to you or for you. We're given a pill, a shot, a tincture, a supplement. Surgery is performed on us. Someone adjusts our spine or massages our muscles. Very few treatments exist in which you actually actively participate in your own healing. Of course, you have to participate at least passively no matter what, or you won't get any benefit. If you don't take the pill, if you don't sit still for the shot or show up for the surgery, none of it is going to do you any good. But whenever we can actively engage the one true healer, yourself, the chances and the speed of recovery become much, much better.